how do you actually set up an outdoor sofa like this? I wanted a cozy boho patio without overthinking it, so I started from scratch. So let's start by assembling the middle module. First, we connect the rattan backrest and the seat base together. This part does require tools, so make sure you have them ready before you start. Once that's secured, we move on to attaching the sofa legs to the rattan seat base. Again, you'll need tools here, but it's pretty straightforward once you get into it. And that's the middle module done. Next up is the right corner sofa. The process is pretty similar. We start by assembling the backrest, the armrest, and the seat cushion together. Then again, we install the sofa legs underneath. Take your time here, especially with alignment, so everything connects smoothly later. And just like that, the corner modules are complete.
Now let's move on to the coffee table. This part is much simpler. I just connect the tabletop panels first, then attach the legs underneath. It's quick, straightforward, and honestly, the easiest part of the whole setup. Now that every piece is assembled, sofa modules and table, it's time to connect everything. I use Velcro straps underneath the cushions to keep each section from sliding around. And finally, the fun part. I start placing all the cushions in, layering them for that soft boho look. Then add the throw pillows, adjusting everything until it feels cozy and lived in.
One of the things I love most about this modular patio sofa is how many different ways you can arrange it. There are 5 setups that I use all the time, but honestly, there are probably even more if you get creative with it. The first setup is a straight 6-seat layout. I think this one is perfect when friends come over and everyone wants to sit together. Whether you're watching a movie outdoors, hanging out after dinner, or just enjoying a summer evening, having everyone in one row feels really comfortable and social. The second setup is 2 rows facing each other. This one is probably the best for conversations. It naturally encourages people to chat, laugh, and spend time together. What's nice is that if you want a different look, you can simply move the right corner piece to the left side. It only takes a minute, but the whole space feels different afterward. Functionally, there's not a huge difference, but some people might prefer one side over the other, and it's nice having that flexibility. Another option is the U-shaped layout. This one is great for summer gatherings because people can sit from 3 different sides while still feeling connected. I actually like that it leaves one side open. It's convenient when someone wants to get up for a drink, grab snacks, or move around without everyone having to shift. It also works really well if you're watching a movie outdoors. What's interesting is that just changing the layout can completely change the feeling of the space. My personal favorite is the conversation circle setup. Everyone sits around a central area and it instantly creates that relaxed summer atmosphere. This is the layout I would choose for game nights, drinks with friends, or long conversations that somehow last until midnight. There's something about sitting in a circle that makes people feel more connected. It encourages interaction and creates a really warm, inviting atmosphere. Of course, there's the classic L-shaped layout. This one is probably the most practical for everyday use. It's perfect for families, and honestly, it's great for couples too. You can lean back, relax together, and enjoy the space without feeling too formal. It also fits beautifully into a corner, making the most of the available space. At the end of the day, that's what makes a modular sofa so fun. You're not locked into one setup forever. You can rearrange it whenever you want, depending on the occasion, the number of guests, or simply your mood. It's surprisingly easy to move around, and creating a completely new layout only takes a few minutes.
And now for the final step. Let's put this outdoor sofa to the test. One of the biggest questions people always ask is about durability. More specifically, can it actually handle weight without feeling fragile? So we decided to test it ourselves. Standing on one foot, no problem. We even jumped on it a few times, and everything stayed sturdy and stable, no wobbling, no strange noises, and no signs of damage. The second thing people are usually concerned about is the wicker. If you accidentally scrape it with something sharp, will it leave scratches? To find out, we used a key and intentionally scratched the wicker surface multiple times. Surprisingly, it held up really well. No obvious marks, no peeling, and no visible damage. The results speak for themselves. So that's the complete journey, from assembly to styling, different layout ideas, and finally testing it out. As for the look, it has that beautiful boho-inspired style that instantly makes a patio feel warm and inviting. In terms of quality, it feels solid, sturdy, and well-made. And the cushions are water-resistant too, which is always a huge plus for outdoor living. Summer is finally here. The only question left is your patio ready for it?